Assalamu alaikum, Dustoni Aziz. I'm extremely excited to be here in picturesque Harok, attending the Pamir Investment Forum at the invitation of the Tajik government. The U.S. Embassy is proud to support economic development that creates good jobs and opportunities for all Tajik citizens. For over 30 years, the United States has proudly supported communities in Badakhshan and across Tajikistan. I just visited today the Sebzor hydropower plant, which, when finished, will keep the lights on for over 600,000 people in homes across eastern Tajikistan and Afghan Badakhshan. This is made possible thanks to a partnership between Pamir Energy, the government of Tajikistan, the United States, and other key development partners. I also visited the Pamir Tech Park, where over 100 young people provide technology and accounting services in a state-of-the-art facility. This is thanks to startup funds provided by USAID. And I am proud that Tajik tech and accounting specialists are performing remote work for American and international companies via internet right here in Harok. I also visited the Harok American Space, which provides innovative technology and educational programs to over 10,000 visitors every year. Our educational partnership includes strong ties with the University of Central Asia, where I am right now, which attracts faculty and students from around the world. For Tajikistan's economy to grow, security is important. The U.S. Embassy is proud to have funded renovation and upgrades to over 20 checkpoints and watchtowers along the Tajik-Afghan border. Here on the roof of the world, we see a Pamir region full of opportunities for economic growth. For that growth to be realized, an active civil society and an independent media play a vital role in promoting new ideas. For Gabal to connect with global partners and create more jobs, maintaining reliable internet connectivity and demonstrating respect for human rights is essential. Over the last 30 years, the United States and Tajikistan have worked side by side to overcome challenges together. We continue to do so today as we work with Tajik partners to build a future of opportunity for all people in this beautiful and diverse country. Let's go forward and take the steps that build that future together. Yakjoya Bapesh.